Hi, welcome to 1308 East 2nd Street. I'm Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors. This house is just south of campus and a beautiful remodeled space. Let's take a look. We're located just 3 blocks from Indiana University in Elm Heights. Locals would tell you this is one of the Bloomington's favorite neighborhoods, and this home has large entertaining space, which is sometimes hard to find in this neighborhood. Stunning hardwood floors, skylights, and a remodeled kitchen are just some of the attributes. Every active house needs a functioning mudroom with lots of storage. Great space in this home. There are 3 bedrooms on the main level, including a Jack and Jill configuration, plus a lower level bedroom and bath, and there's a studio apartment in the back. There's additional dwelling space with this area with a bedroom suite, family area, study, and a kitchenette. The lower level has an outside access that leads to the outside studio. This mid-century home has a beautiful mature backyard that separates the main house from the studio. (1308) 2nd Street has it all. They've recently added a garage. This studio has its own loft. It's a beautiful place to create, and there's a soaring ceiling. Thanks for touring 1308 East 2nd Street. We're on the edge of Indiana University on the south side. My name is Jeff Franklin, jeffsells.com at FC Tucker Realtors.